In this video we will discuss about types of banking jobs. Since we have discussed a little about investment banking, let's start with these types. While an investment banker serves clients in several ways, her major tasks involves raising capital through the sale of debt and equity securities. To generate capital investment, banking analysts frequently analyze financial data such as assessing the performance of stocks and bonds and value them accordingly. This means that they must have impeccable quantitative skills, including the ability of handle complex financial method. The fast speed nature of modern investment banking demands that investment bankers possesses the ability to perform on spot while managing other things. Generally, investment bankers engage in aggressive sales that require them to occupy a large network to reach out to and communicate effectively. A good investment banker will not only pursue people but also educate them by providing facts to help investors make a wise decision. Investment bankers, like those on Wall Street, recruit from the best colleges in the world. League school are a top choice for US employees. To land an elite investment banking job, you must need to earn a college degree majoring in economics or finance or any business discipline. Obtain an internship at a renowned financial institutions to attain corporate exposure and on the job training as well as to expand your network. Moreover, to get that edge over the competition, earn an MBA, finance, or another advanced degree in finance. Finally, you never know how and what leads to your dream job. So focus on expanding your network from the very beginning.